Sharp surge in COVID cases across India, the April session of JEE Main has been postponed. Revised dates will be announced later and at least 15 days prior to the exam. Now, the first two sessions have already been completed in February and March. While the NTA made this announcement, Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal reiterated that the safety of the students and their academic career are the centre's prime concerns right now. Hundreds of students across the country have been urging the government to postpone competitive exams due to the sharp increase in COVID cases. Now, that's a big update we are getting after CBSE cancelling board exams for 10th and postponing CBSE 12th board exams. Here comes another big decision as JEE Main April session has been postponed, and the NTA has said that they'll give students 15-day prior notice before the exams amid surge in COVID cases. Let's go across to my colleague Gaurav Handa for more details. Gaurav, after CBSE delayed board exams and cancelled for class 10th, do you think this decision for JEE Mains was expected by the centre?
Absolutely, Priyanka. We have seen that the record number of cases is registered day by day. Last year, the highest number of cases were 97,000 only, but this year we have seen that it has crossed 2.61 lakhs in the past 24 hours. Every day we see a new record. So amid that, there were parents, there were students, there were parents association, teachers. Everyone is expecting that the 10th and 12th board exams should be cancelled or postponed. We have seen that Education Ministry took a decision of postponing 10th exam, postponing 12th exams and cancelling 10th board exams. We have seen NEET exams also, which is being postponed. So this decision was very much expected because the cases are rising day by day, and there were 4 sessions of this exam. 2 have already been done in February, in March, but this time it was scheduled on April 27 and 28. So because of the number of record COVID cases, this was expected and it has been done, and we were the first channel to break this story that the exams has been postponed of the JEE. Yes, Priyanka.
Absolutely, Gaurav. This comes as much relief for the students who were worried about appearing for the exam amid surge in COVID cases. But when can we expect the exams to be conducted now, as the government has, the NTA has said that they will be given 15 days prior notice before conducting the exams?
Yes, absolutely, Priyanka. Maybe they haven't announced the date yet when this can be conducted, but if we talk when it can be conducted, then maybe there is we see a time where cases have start going down, the things are under control. Then we can expect a date which can be announced by the NTA. But they have also said that before announcing the dates, they will give at least 15 days before the examination,
right,
so that students can well prepare for their exams.
And absolutely, Gaurav, thank you for getting us all those details. A major decision by the NTA as April session for JEE Mains has now been postponed, and the examination dates will be announced and decided later, and 15 days prior notice to the students ahead of the conduction of exams.